Hi, this is Dan with Plugin District. In this demo, I'm just going to show you the WordPress Docker local development repo we have out here in GitHub. Basically, using this, you can spin up a WordPress environment within minutes that you can use for local development. I've been doing plugin development for over 10 years, and this is my preferred approach, and I just want to share it. So I'm going to put a link to this repository below, and the only prerequisite really is to have Docker installed on your machine. So we've got some instructions out here for Windows, Mac, or Linux. But the first thing you're going to do is clone this repository. So we're going to clone it. Once it's cloned, we do need to run a command to set some permissions. So it is going to give us if you look at the structure here, we have a WP content folder in here. And then we also have a plugins and themes folder structure that you would basically just place your plugins that you're working on or themes that you're working on here, and they're accessible in real time in your Docker environment that you're spinning up with this. So I'll kind of show that in action. But to properly do that, we do need to run a permissions command. So you're just going to copy the sudo command and browse into the folder that was just cloned, and then we're going to execute this command to set those permissions. So now that those folders have the correct permissions, now I'm going to walk through the spin up Docker. So you basically run a docker compose up-d command. This will download the MySQL and WordPress containers and spin them up. And now we're ready to go. So in your browser, you just go to localhost and run through the setup wizard. This is all on my local machine now. My local dev environment. If I can type, and just do whatever account you want, and then install WordPress. And now we're going to go ahead and log in. And now I have a WordPress environment on my local machine. So let's go ahead and go into the admin panel here and click plugins. As you can see, you just have the basic plugins. Let's say I want to start working on a plugin in my environment. I've got one ready to go over here. I'm just going to drag this over into the plugins folder that I have here. And now that you can see, I have my plugin in here. If I refresh the page, the plugin is now available in here and I can activate it. Let's go ahead and activate it. So I can make changes in real time to that plugin and they'll reflect on my local environment in real time, which is amazing. That's it. That's pretty much all you have to do is to spin up a WordPress environment and tear it down. So if I'm done using this, I want to tear it down, you basically just come out here and run a docker compose down-v, and that'll shut it all down, and it is gone. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Have a good day.